Hi guys, Mr. Coupon here, and today you're going to receive the biggest official discount available on Helium 10. There are two types of discount offers, one for users who want it for a short period and another for those who plan to use it long term. First, open this coupon sale link, where the coupon code is already applied automatically. You'll find this link in the first comment. On this page, you can see 20% off on monthly payments for the first 6 months. And after that, you'll pay the regular price. The second option gives you 10% off on monthly payments for a lifetime. Now scroll down a little, and you'll notice that the Platinum plan is selected by default. Right next to it, you'll see a Claim Coupon button where the coupon code is already auto-applied. If you prefer the Diamond plan, you can select that as well. If you scroll a bit further down, you'll find links for both coupon offers. This means if you want 20% off every month for 6 months, click on the first link. And if you want 10% off on monthly payments for a lifetime, click on the second link. As soon as you click it, you'll be redirected to the checkout page where the coupon code will already be applied. This coupon link is available in the first comment, so you can simply click on it and land directly on this coupon page. Also, to claim this coupon, you must create an account using a Gmail that has never been used before to register a Helium 10 account. If you don't have a new Gmail, just create one. It only takes about 2 minutes. So the link is added in the first comment. Enjoy the discount and bye-bye.